Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is June 12th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest update on Bigbear.Ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, plus a trading strategy you might want to consider in this fast-moving AI and analytics space. Let's start with the numbers. BBAI is currently trading around $3.73, down about 3% in the last 24 hours, with recent trading volumes spiking over 100 million shares. Over the past month, the stock is up more than 15%, and over the past year, it's delivered a massive 169% gain, far outpacing many of its tech peers. The 52-week high sits at $10.36, while the low is $1.17, showing just how volatile this stock can be. The company's market cap is about $1.1 billion, with annual revenue of $158 million, and it remains a key player in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. So what's driving the action? Bigbear.Ai has been attracting attention thanks to its growing government and commercial contracts and optimism around the AI sector in general. However, the stock has pulled back sharply from its highs earlier this year, and technical indicators are mixed. Analyst targets for 2025 range widely, with a max estimate of $6 and a minimum of $3.50, while some long-term models are extremely bullish, projecting potential prices above $11 by year-end if momentum returns. Now, let's talk trading strategy. For short-term traders, consider swing trading by buying near support around $3.50 to $3.70 and selling into rallies toward resistance at $4 to $4.50. Use tight stop losses below support to manage risk, since BBAI is highly volatile and can move sharply on news or sector sentiment. For longer-term investors, dollar-cost averaging could be a smart way to build a position, especially if you believe in the company's AI growth story and are willing to ride out the volatility. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings and contract announcements, as these could be key catalysts for the next move. That's it for today's update on Bigbear.Ai Holdings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments your thoughts or your own trading strategy for BBAI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.